sure? Alright, I'll call you back in a little bit when I'm finished. Alright, sorry, I'm playing video games right now. No, I said I'm sorry. Oh, okay, bye. She doesn't like it when I play video games. That was my girlfriend, Valvin. The backups. That wasn't too slow, all things considered. My girlfriend just always has this way of calling me while I'm streaming. And I always feel bad, and she always gets really sad and apologetic about it. And I'm just like, you don't have to be. Like, I'll talk to you while I'm playing stupid games. I also just hate talking on the phone. Like, I don't know. I really don't like phones. Oh my god, I bonked. Yeah, I just hate phones. I don't know what, but I just really do. I've never enjoyed talking on the phone. Not bad. Dude! Alright, I haven't failed that clip yet today, so at least there's that. Please. No! I'm so bad! Not very good. 154. How do you keep momentum from swing shots? Basically, you have to hold forward. Oh my god. Until you get to the apex, then go to neutral on the control stick. Or on the analog stick, rather. And then you let go of circle, and then you press X. It's pretty easy. All things considered, not terrible. I'll take +7. But yeah, so you hit the hyper shot, or you hit the swing shot, you hold forward, you go all the way to the apex of the swing, you let go of the control stick, you let go of circle, you hold down X. And then you do, oh my god. And then you do craziness, and then life is good. Okay. That's fine, I'll take that. Ow! Shit, dude. That was good. Whew. Alright. Good shit so far. How did I lose time? Fuck, dude. I don't understand. I didn't do anything wrong. Maybe my old strat is faster. I don't know. I'll take that. That was pretty good. Holy, that was good. Oh. Fuck. Next one's up here. Fuck, dude, what the shit? Next one's over here. Whenever it decides to spawn. Oh my god. There goes all the time I could have saved. I'm just making so many dumb mistakes. Pretty good. Oh boy. Okay, so this run is going decently. It's not the worst run in the world, but it's not great either. A couple things I have to keep in mind. Next couple planets. Like, looking forward, I gotta remember annihilation patterns. I have to remember that Terratalis, I can literally just do whatever I want as long as I play smart. I have to remember to... Yeah, okay. I just have to play smart. I have to remember to punch jump as Clank, because it's a little bit faster. And I have to remember, Basically, just don't do anything really stupid, and I'll be fine. Yo, step off my goons. Okay. Good. This should take a minute. If not less. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Holy shit. Okay. We're ahead. That's really strange. I guess that must have been a really good Marcadia. Damn, like, I didn't think I had that much time to gold. I guess I always find ways of surprising myself. Yeah, I was thinking as I was going through that last mission, I was like, am I about to gold? And if I had gone straight up to Starship Phoenix, that would have been a gold by a couple more seconds, too. That's crazy. Some slop there, but that's okay. I still have time to save. What's my sobs now? Yeah, I took it off by 2.5 seconds. So I'll see what my sobs look like after this. Fuck. Fuck. Not good, but not terrible. I'll take that. I should have gone riskier. Like, that was way too safe at the end. I'll probably be behind again after this, but that's okay. Fuck, dude. Stop. Directions need to stop being weird. Fuck. Alright, I only lost a second. I'll take it. This is where the time saves start. Yeah, I've got 3 out of the 4 next splits are really good time saves. I've already gotten past the hard part. We're sliding right into the second half, where there's a lot to recover. That was a little bit faster. Alright, good robots. Okay. Good start. Oh, please. For the love of God and all that is holy. Dare I? Let's do it. New strats. Actually, yeah. No! Stay right the fuck there, you piece of shit. Die. That was really bad, but at least the run's alive. No, he didn't. Oh my god, I'm losing so much time. Or am I? I don't know if I'm losing a lot of time or not. I can't tell. I should be. Okay. Okay, I'll take it. That's weird. I guess I don't know what saved me time. I guess a really good scrunch. Just save 15 seconds. Wow, this is a very good clip. Holy shit! Save 3 seconds. Oh my god. Yeah, the glitch is pretty awesome. I really love it. This one's also really cool, if you've never seen this one. There we go. Now just don't play it dumb. That's fine. Just get the fuck out of my way, you piece of shit. Oh my god, this is really bad. I lost a lot of time there. Oh god. That was really bad. Alright, just don't botch this. Remember, XX down, XX down, XX down, XX... Or XX down, XX down, XX down triangle. There we go. Alright, Metropolis, no Rydia, because it's not there yet. Okay, we're on good pace. I just gotta make sure I don't do any more dumb flubs. Buy ammo. Okay. Please. All right. Not losing too much time, just a little bit. I'll probably be about 16 seconds ahead. Yep. However, the first commentary vid I did, it was really bad. It's not even worth it. Like, don't even worry about it. But this is where I can save a shitload of time. Just don't do anything stupid. No Iridia. Oh, there's no Iridia yet. Okay. Take it one step at a time. Whip jump, early hyper strike so that I don't hit lag. Into now. Okay. And this. Oh my god. That was really hard to do. And we are in there. Holy shit. Oh my god, these glods. Okay. Basically, these next 4 planets are an exercise in consistency. I have about 1 death's worth of mistakes to make. And if I don't do that, if I make any fewer than that, this will be a world record. Okay, good. Two more planets to go. Bad. Rotations, fuck. Okay. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god! Get the fuck out of here. Really bad. Really, really, really bad. Alright, I spaghettied a little bit, but I can't worry about that right now. I just gotta keep going and keep playing well. No Rydia. I can do this planet in less than a minute. I can lift a car up all by myself. All by myself. All by myself. Hold it steady, hold it steady, hold it steady, hold it steady, hold it steady. This isn't it yet. I gotta get past command center. Nope. Come on. Aha. Ah, let's go, baby. Holy shit. Is this it? Is this the low 36? Are we about to get that low 36 booty? Oh my god, dude. This is incredible. This run might be the category killer. I already got past all the hard parts. It would take a choke of epic proportions. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoops. This category is pretty dead. Oh my god, if I'd gotten 16 shots, that would have been perfect. This category is not dead. I'm never going to say a category is dead, ever, because there's always going to be one person who wants to beat it. But this category is insanely hard to beat now. I'm tweeting that I just got the loaded 36 booty.